How to fix TikTok your network is unstable, tap to retry error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your network is unstable, tap to retry error on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So as the error suggests, the first thing that we'll do is we'll check our internet connection. So head over to your control panel and then tap on your connectivity settings. From right here, you can turn on and turn off your airplane mode first. And after you turn on and turn off your airplane mode, you should restart connecting to your Wi-Fi. Now, after you reconnect to your Wi-Fi, make sure that you actually do have internet connection. So make sure that your internet is working fine. You can forget your network and reconnect as well. After doing that, you can head over to your TikTok and check if the problem is fixed. If the problem is fixed, great. If not, what you need to do is you'll need to long press on your TikTok, or you can head over to the settings as well and then clear your TikTok's cache. After you clear the cache, your problem should get fixed, but let's now try to move on with another solution as well. Now, the other thing that you can do is head over to your settings, and after you're on your settings, go to General. On your General, head over to iPhone storage and then search for TikTok. So let's locate TikTok here. There it is. Tap on it and offload the app. After you offload the app and reinstall it, your data will, the cache will get cleared and you'll have reinstalled the app. Now you can go to the app and use it. Now the last solution is head over to your app store and now we'll update the app. Now, if the problem is caused due to any glitches or bugs, it will get fixed with a new update which comes with your security patches and your bug fixes. So update the app if you do have an update available, and that should fix your issue. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.